All right, try this on Blue Eyes. Watch that right hand, see what the right hand's doing. I'll play one more time. Now we're in the key of E. We've established that. Fifth string open and first string open. Let's play the E major scale with that drone. This is purely an intonation kind of ear training exercise. And like we talked about, we're not really doing the slides right now. We're just trying to hit the note directly on top of the fret and see where our intonation's at. Now let's go up, skip one and come back. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 7, 6, 1, 7, 2, 1. Now what were those numbers? That's insane. That's not the fret numbers, right? We're talking about the number, the scale number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. That can kind of be, it can be pretty weird when you're starting off, you know, thinking about the scale numbers when you've got open 2, 4, 5, 7, 9 fret wise. But it's really good ear training to start thinking about the scale in terms of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So if it helps, actually say those numbers out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And once you get that down, man, don't look at your steel. You can't see my face right now, but I'm not gonna look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Really great ear training that way.